In this video, we're going to learn how to make the fisherman's knots. With our 7mm cord, we're going to take both ends. We're going to form an endless loop. You take your bottom end piece, you wrap it around your finger, once to your nail, one to your hand, and we're going to make an X. We're going to slide our finger out and replace that with the rope. Now we have our other end. Get enough slack. We're going to flip it around so it's on top. Again, point your finger out. One to the fingernail, one to the hand. We have an X. Slide your finger out. Replace it with the rope. Slide it together, and with your fisherman's knots, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 to create an endless sling.